Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we started a new chapter of a second part that is called as organic chemistry, in which we studied the new chapter that is called as the aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. You remember what here? 12. So we started here the chapter number 12. What here? The aldehyde, then ketone and carboxylic acid. What here? Carboxylic acid. First of all, we take the question, what is the carbonyl compound? We take the first question, what is the carbonyl compound? Okay, you know that we discussed in organic chemistry the compound contain a C single bond O bond in the alcohol, in the phenol, in the ether. All this compound which contain a carbon single bond OH. So it is called as what here? The unit of alcohol, phenol, ether, which contain carbon and oxygen single bond. But what is a carbonyl compound? So the carbonyl compound is defined as the organic compound in which the carbon attached to double bond oxygen, or it is also write the C double bond O, called as the what here? Carbonyl compound. This carbon is called as the carbonyl carbon, and this oxygen also called as what here? Carbonyl oxygen. What here beta? Carbonyl oxygen. Clear? So any compound which contain a carbon attached to carbon, any compound which contain a C double bond O, called as the what here? The carbonyl carbon. And any compound which contain a C double bond O bond, called as a carbonyl compound. For example, all the compound like aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, acetic acid, acetic anhydride and ester, all these compound which contain a carbonyl carbon. What here? The carbonyl carbon. For example, we take the aldehyde, okay, so R C double bond OH, it is called as what here beta? Aldehyde. Okay, then we take the second example, what here? Ketone, R C double bond OR, it is called as what here? Ketone. Clear? Next third, we take the carboxylic acid, means R C double bond OOH, what called as? It is called as a carboxylic acids. So any compound which contain a carbonyl carbon means C double bond O group, called as the carbonyl compound. It means the aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid is a what here? The carbonyl compound. Clear? What is carbonyl compound? The compound which contain a C double bond O group, called as what here? Carbonyl compound, or this called as the carbonyl carbon and this called as what? Carbonyl oxygen here. ठीक है बेटा, क्लियर है? तो क्वेश्चन आता है आपको, डिफाइन द कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड. सो एनी कंपाउंड विच कंटेन अ सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ ग्रुप, कॉल्ड एज अ कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड. फॉर एग्जांपल aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid is called as a what here? Carbonyl compound. Clear? Now we take the question next, what is the aldehyde, what is the ketone and what is the carboxylic acid? Called introduction of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So we take the introduction here, what is the aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acids. So the aldehyde is defined as the any carbonyl carbon means CO group attached to which group here? Attached to one alkyl group and one hydrogen. So it is called as what here? Aldehyde. What here? Aldehyde. Any carbonyl carbon means CO group attached to one atom of oxygen, hydrogen and second atom of alkyl group, it is called as what here? The aldehyde. What is ketone? So ketone is defined as any carbonyl carbon, means this carbon attached to two similar alkyl group, means this similar alkyl group, or two different alkyl group, or one alkyl group and second aryl group attached to carbonyl carbon, means CO group, it is called as what here? It is called as a ketone. Clear? Third point, what is the carboxylic acid? So it is defined as the any carbonyl carbon at which the one alkyl group and one hydroxy group attached, so it is called as what? Carboxylic acid. You know, the each aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid contain a carbonyl carbon. That's why these three, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, are the example of carbonyl compound. Clear है बेटा? So we take the first question. क्या देखा हमने बेटा? What is carbonyl compound? Any compound which contain a carbonyl group means CO group, called as a carbonyl compound. For example, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid is example of carbonyl compound. Next, what is aldehyde? So any compound in which the carbonyl group means CO group attached to one hydrogen, one alkyl group, called as the what here? Aldehyde. Second, what is the ketones? So any carbonyl carbon which attached to two similar alkyl group or two similar aryl group or one alkyl group and second aryl group, it is also called as the what here? Ketones. And third, what is carboxylic acid? It is defined as the any carbonyl carbon means CO group attached to what here? One hydroxy group means HO group and one alkyl group, called as the what here? Carboxylic acid. Clear? Now we take the question number next. Classification of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So when we classify the aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid on the basis of carbonyl group means CO group attached to the which carbon skeleton, it means this carbonyl carbon whether attached to the aliphatic compound means a saturated single bond or in a aromatic compound, depend upon the what here? Carbonyl group means CO group attached to what here? Aliphatic compound or aromatic compound. The aldehyde, ketone are classified as into two types. What here? Aliphatic aldehyde and second aromatic aldehyde. Then aliphatic ketone, aromatic ketone, then aliphatic carboxylic acid and aromatic carboxylic acid. Clear beta? So now we take there first classification of what here? The classification of, first we take the aldehyde. What here beta? So we take the question first, classification of aldehyde. Now aldehyde are classified on the basis of what here? The carbonyl carbon means CO group or aldehyde group attached to the what here? It may be aliphatic or aromatic compound. So on the basis of this, the aldehyde are classified into first category called as the aliphatic, what here? The aliphatic aldehyde. ओके बेटा, तो यहाँ स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग एलिफेटिक एल्डिहाइड क्या होता है, ठीक है. क्लासीफाई कैसे कर रहे हैं हम लोग? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हाट? द CHO ग्रुप अटैच विच व्हाट हियर? द एलिफेटिक कंपाउंड, एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड, ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट द aldehyde are classified into two categories here. First called what here? Aliphatic aldehyde. Now define the aliphatic aldehyde. So it is defined as the aldehyde group means CHO group called as the aldehyde. This CHO group is also right in the form of C double bond OH group called as what here? Aldehyde. Clear? So this it is defined as the aldehyde group attached to the those carbon which shows the which nature? Saturated in nature, as well as this carbon R shows sp3 hybridization. So this CH attached to what here? This CH2 and this what here? CH3. So it is called what here? It is called as the example of aliphatic aldehyde. What is the definition there? It is defined as the aldehyde group attached to those carbon which shows the sp3 hybridizing nature, means, and these are saturated compound called as the aliphatic aldehyde. For example, CH3CHO, in which the carbon show the which nature? sp3 hybridized in nature. Clear? The carbon show what is sp3 hybridized in nature, that's why it is a aliphatic aldehyde. Clear? Next, we take the B point here, aromatic aldehyde. What we take here? So the aromatic aldehyde is defined as the aldehyde group attached to directly on the aromatic ring, and these aromatic carbon are shows sp2 hybridized in nature, means it is act as unsaturated compound. You know what is a saturated compound? So it is defined as the any compound which contain a carbon-carbon single bond called as saturated compound, whereas any compound which contain carbon-carbon double bond or triple bond, it is called as unsaturated compound. So what is the aromatic aldehyde? So it is defined as the aldehyde group, means CHO group, what here? Attached to the directly what? Aromatic ring. What? Directly attached to what here? Aromatic ring, and these aromatic ring in which the carbon show the which nature? So these carbon show sp2 hybridized in nature as well as unsaturated in nature. Clear? So it is called as what here? The aromatic aldehyde. This compound is also right in the form of this, and this also right in the form of benzene attached to what here? C double bond OH. Both are same. So it is defined as the aldehyde group, means CH group, is attached to the directly on what here? The benzene ring, and this benzene ring, each carbon shows the which nature? sp2 hybridized in nature or unsaturated in nature. So it is called as what here? Aromatic aldehyde. क्लियर बेटा? तो 3 क्वेश्चन देखा बेटा हमने आज के लेक्चर में. पहले क्या देखा? फर्स्ट वी टेक द यूनिट नंबर न्यू यूनिट स्टार्टेड हियर, यूनिट नंबर 12, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. We take the first question, what is carbonyl compound? So you know the compound which contain a CO group means carbonyl group called as a carbonyl compound. For example, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic group, all this contain a what here? The carbonyl carbon, so it is called as a carbonyl compound. Now second question we take the what is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So aldehyde is defined as in which the carbonyl group attached to one hydrogen and second alkyl group called as aldehyde. Now second, what is a ketone? Ketone is defined as the any carbonyl carbon in which the two similar alkyl group or two similar aryl group and one alkyl group and aryl group attached to the carbonyl carbon called as what here? Ketone. And third, what is carboxylic acid? So it is defined as the carbonyl carbon at which the one hydroxy group and one alkyl group attached called as the carboxylic acid. Now we take the question, classification of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So we started with question number 3rd. What is the classification of aldehyde? So aldehyde are classified on the basis of what here? The what? Aldehyde group attached to the which carbon? Whether it is a sp3 hybridized carbon or sp2 hybridized carbon. sp3 means aliphatic and sp2 means what? Aromatic. So first we take the aliphatic aldehyde. So aliphatic aldehyde is defined as what here? So the aldehyde group means CHO group attached to what here? Directly those carbon which show the sp3 hybridized in nature called as the saturated compound. It is called as what here? Saturated compound. Okay, so it is called aldehyde. Aliphatic aldehyde. Second, what is aromatic aldehyde? In which the aldehyde group attached to those directly on what benzene ring or this benzene ring, each carbon show the which nature? sp2 hybridized in nature or unsaturated in nature called as what here? The aromatic aldehyde. क्लियर है बेटा? तो इस तरीके से हमने 3 क्वेश्चन देखा. इसके बाद का जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर रहेगा उसमें हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ व्हाट हियर द कीटोन एंड कार्बो ऑक्सिलिक एसिड। क्लियर? ओके, इजी टॉपिक है बेटा, ये टॉपिक को आपको अच्छे से याद रखना है। थैंक यू सो मच।